In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot's new AI meeting note takers. Whether you're a seasoned HubSpot user or just getting started, this feature can revolutionize the way you manage meeting notes and enhance productivity. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to begin by navigating to the HubSpot platform. Ensure you're logged in with the right credentials to access the settings you need. Once you're on the homepage, locate the settings icon. It's usually positioned at the top right corner of your screen, so just give it a click. This area is the main hub for customizing your HubSpot experience and tailoring it to fit your specific needs. Now that you're in the settings menu, the next step is to select Tools. Under Tools, you will find a list of different options and features that you can tweak. Skim through these options until you stumble upon Calling. Click on it to proceed. This section is dedicated to all your calling features and has some fantastic tools to help streamline your communication processes. With that done, the next link we need to follow is the Call Setup option. It's here that the magic of organizing your calls begins. Upon clicking Call Setup, take a closer look at the available configurations. We're interested in the Call Configuration section, so go ahead and click on it. In this area, you'll be adjusting the settings related to how your calls are handled within HubSpot. The next stage involves enabling a few critical skills that will allow the AI meeting note takers to perform their duties efficiently. Look for the option that says Call Recording and Transcription and Analysis, and make sure to enable each of them. These services work hand in hand, allowing the AI to record, transcribe, and analyze each call for a more comprehensive summary. Our final task in this setup process is to locate the HubSpot Meeting Note Taker feature within the same settings. Once you find it, simply toggle the feature to the On position. This action activates the note taker, and from now on, it is ready to capture and organize meeting details. And that's it. You've successfully set up HubSpot's new AI Meeting Note Taker. By following these steps, you'll have a digital assistant that frees you from the hassle of manual note-taking, allowing you to focus entirely on your meetings. The AI note-taking tool not only organizes your workflows, but also ensures that you won't miss out on any critical piece of information discussed during your calls. Thank you for joining me today, and happy meeting management with this innovative feature.